All right, in this video, we're going to, I'm going to show you how to key chip a machine so you can get in and change and tell the machine that it's an upright and get rid of that error message. All right, so the first thing we're going to do is open the main door. We're going to shut it off, okay? So we'll power it off, and then we're going to remove the computer, okay? Now I remove the computer. There's the board right there. Zoom in a little bit so you can see where we're going to be working. What I find that works very well is if you have one of these little flat screwdrivers, okay? The other thing you're going to need is the key chip that I sent you. And I want you to notice that there's a little notch. See that little notch on that one side? Okay. So the first thing we're going to do is we have to remove that chip right there. And that's what this comes. You put it on one side and slowly pry. Switch to the other side because we do not want to bend any of these little legs. Okay. Okay, I'm just going to keep going back and forth until it lets loose. Set that to the side. Now I'm going to put this one in, remembering there's that little notch. Notch goes to this side. If you look, there's a little notch there, so notch is going this way. And what I do is I put one side in first, and then when it's all lined up, just gently press down on it, okay? All right, now we're going to move this and put it back in the machine. All right. It is now back in the machine, and we're going to power it back up. And as we power up, we're going to watch the lights on the board. Got two green, and now I have two yellow. Once the yellow ones come on, that means the machine has been key chipped. Okay, so I'm going to power the machine off. Remove the board. Over here. And I'm just going to reverse the process. Now we're going to remove that key. We're going to remove the key. Same thing, being very gentle not to bend those pins. Move it to the side. Now we're going to put our base chip back in, the one you had. I'm finding the notch. Don't base on the words because those labels can be put upside down. You want to find that notch. Notch goes on this side. You can actually see on the board. Here, I'm going to show you on the board. If I can find it. See, there's a little notch right there. And we're going to put this one back in. Same thing. I do one side. I try to get that back side lined up first. You can feel them fall in. Oops, I'm off one. Okay, the next one's, okay, and then I'm just going to gently press it down in there. All right, now we're going to put this back in. All right. Okay, it's back in there. I'm going to power it back on. And I'm just going to swing the door. Don't close the door all the way, okay? Just let it rest. If you close it, it'll turn off the key chip and we got to start all over again. And now, we're going to watch this. Okay, so now you see we're in key chip, okay? So I'm going to press the spin reel. Okay, now I'm in key chip 1. Okay, I'm going to hit it again. Okay. Oops, sorry. I'm in key chip. So I'm going to hit enter. And I press cash out all the way till I get to 716 machine type. Okay. And now I'm going to press this key. That's like enter. And now yours probably says unknown. And what you want to do is use the cash out or the service key to change it. Okay? And you want to press cash out till it says upright. Okay? So once it says upright, then what you're going to do is press the play credits key. Okay? And that saves it. So what we're going to do is it's still there. I'm going to hit spin reel one more time, and I'm just going to double check. Make sure that says upright. Okay? And then you're going to press play max. Okay? And you're going to hit that one over there again. Sorry, I can't show you both at the same time. I'm just going to keep pressing that until it takes me all the way back out. At that point, go ahead and shut your door all the way, and your machine should be to boot right back up. All right.